We are stepping into a future where artificial intelligence thinks faster than humans, where nanotechnology can alter your biology, where emotions are being outsourced to machines, and identities are dissolving into digital shadows. But amidst this rise of technology, there is one power that cannot be replicated, copied, or controlled. Your ruh, soul, was breathed into you by your Creator. At XypheroX, we don't just prepare you for the future. We prepare your soul to lead it. It is beyond data, beyond algorithms, beyond machinery. In this transformative course, you will learn to reclaim your divine essence amidst AI and digital chaos, build spiritual immunity against invisible forces, harness the power of Islamic metaphysics and quantum consciousness, strengthen your heart with divine trust in a collapsing world. Awaken the spiritually sovereign woman within you. Your soul was not created for submission to technology, but to divine intelligence. Sisters, the world is changing fast, but you are not here to merely survive. You are here to rise, emotionally strong, spiritually awakened, and divinely led. Join the transformation. Awaken your soul for the future. Before the world changes you, change your world within.